Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking test video of stock number 9480. Today we got a 2006 GMC Yukon Denali, 6.0L LQ4 under the hood. Running good, gonna make an awesome swap. These are super cool trucks with really good motors. Northeast Ohio truck, so it's kind of rusty, but it was local to us and we really couldn't say no to it. Obviously you guys saw while it's here, but not a body panel in sight. It's like Ice Cube, he was looking in a rear view, not a jacker in sight. Oh my God, all right. What do we got for mileage on you? $184,188 miles on the LQ4. Runs good. 4L60E goes into drive. Right in reverse. It's a little mad. You'll have that on these bigger jobs. What do we got here? We got power folding mirrors that both work. Turn signals on both. Test the functions. That side's moving. Side's blinking as well. Windows all go up and down. Sunroofs. Yeah. Alright guys, well, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of stock, God, I can't talk today. Stock number 9480, 2006 GMC Yukon Denali. You guys know the gig. If you're looking for any of the parts you may have seen here, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. God, that's annoying. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.